Yes, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm VJ, and you are now watching another episode of my reaction for today. For today, guys, I'm going to react on another Beanie recommendation. I was actually told to watch their podcast ng mga walang jowa. So, I've searched it in YouTube, and I found out that there are a lot of episodes in here. So I'm just gonna be watching the episode 1. They actually talked about sino ang totga mo. Totga means the one that got away, right? So, I think yung mga ex or yung mga nang-iwan sa'yo, ganon. I'm gonna be watching this. So, yeah, let's go, guys.
Podcast Network Asia.
B-I-N-I-B-I-N-I Beanie Podcast na mga walang jowa.
Wow! Ang galing ng harmonization nila, oh.
2, 3. Mabuhay! I'm Beanie
Okay. It's only Beanie Joanna and Beanie Aya.
Joanna.
Hey everybody, I'm Beanie Aya.
And we are Beanie. Grabe, nakakapanibago.
Yeah. And can I just say, I love how, kasi di ba we're so used to now, we're singing and dancing and we're always moving around. I mean, we're also moving, pero this time, it's more laid back.
True.
Yeah.
Usap lang talaga. Alam mo yung parang
Yes.
wala tayong audience. It's just you.
And our thoughts.
Yeah.
And our situational experiences and
Yeah.
everything inside.
First time natin gagawin. Kasi alam mo yung parang hindi naman to normal. Lalo na sa ating P-pop idols.
Mhm.
Parang
Parang
like love in general.
Oo.
Parang very taboo siya, di ba? To talk about for our idol.
Sa world natin.
Ganon.
Yeah.
And
Diba?
masaya kasi nabigyan tayo ng chance, alam mo yun, to
Yeah.
let's normalize this topic. Kasi parang normal naman siya. Tao rin naman tayo. Yes,
Yeah.
idol tayo. Pero tao rin naman tayo. Na-in-love din naman tayo.
Yeah.
nasaktan din naman tayo.
We're born to love din naman.
Yeah.
Tao din tayo na pwede, it's free to love din naman. Kaya let's talk about love.
Parang baon na. Parang dami mo ba?
Okay.
So, yung topic natin, interesting siya kasi parang famous line to na, thought ka.
Yeah.
According to
From the
pa,
song.
ni Katy Perry.
Yeah.
Favorite.
Oo.
Parang may bubog ka talaga sa kantang to.
Yeah. Favorite word ko siya before.
Ay?
Yung thought ka. Char.
Ay, may thought ka ka. So, sige.
Okay.
Lagot ka sa akin.
Pero wait
Lilig
lang.
kita.
Ikaw ba? Let's start with defining what is love. Kasi, di ba, hindi natin masyado na pag-usapan yung ganito. So, let's start with, what is it? Like, what do you understand with love?
Ako, love. Ang hirap naman ng tanong mo. Pwede ano yung...
Yung perception niya, di ba? Kasi iba-iba yung perception ng tao. Ang iba magsasabing, kung love mo yung tao, you let him or her go, right? Tapos yung iba sasabihin, if you love, you fight for her or him. So, magkaiba talaga yung perception.
yung paano ko malalaman kung bahal ko na isang tao.
Sige.
Okay.
Paano ko nakikita kung love ko na isang tao? Siguro, kapag my friends and family are happy dun sa decision ko. Syempre, bukod dun sa love ko talaga siya, gusto ko agree din yung family and friends. Syempre, di ba, bukod sa akin, sila din yung nakakita ng what's best for me.
Oh.
And yung trust, nandun yung understanding.
Yeah. Like, happy.
Very tricky din yan kasi if ever mahal mo talaga yung tao tapos hindi naman siya nakikita ng family mo, hindi siya para sa'yo. So it's very tricky, right?
Ka-happy all.
Yes.
Mm-mm.
Yung hindi ko kailangan baguhin yung sarili ko. Hindi ko kailangan mag-lip tint kapag makikita ko.
Yeah.
Accept ka in
Oo,
your
kahit
whole
anong
flaws.
Yes.
Yeah.
Your imperfections.
Yun yung doon ko malalaman if eto na, love ko na tong tao.
True.
Ikaw?
Ako naman, simple. If true love or, basta for me, there is love when there's peace.
Yeah.
Alam mo yung you don't even have to try. Kasi you're at peace, you're calm, there's so much love kahit ganun.
Yun yung sabi ni Tony Gonzaga at ni Alex, right? Na hindi sila at peace sila. hindi nila kailangang galawin yung phone, hindi nila kailangang mag-wait for the call or for the text or for the reply. Parang hindi na sila nagwo-worry kung saan pupunta kasi at peace sila.
Parang pag
Alam
ano
nila.
ba, hindi trying hard.
Yeah.
Hindi ka na nagtitry hard na, ay, ganito yung standard na gusto niya, ganito yung gusto niya sa babae.
Mhm.
Yeah, and hindi ka bothered lagi.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun na feeling? Like, it's just at peace. Ganon.
Gets.
Yeah.
Ah.
Like, example.
So, ibig sabihin, kung hindi ka at peace, hindi yan, parang may something na, may mga trust issues kasi yan, di ba? So,
example with work, I love what I'm doing because I feel at peace. Parang
mm.
ganun. Diba? Love equals peace. That's how I see it.
Mm.
Yeah.
Sige nga. Sige, may question ako. Wait lang.
go.
Actually, nag-take down ako ng notes.
Mm.
So, yung topic natin, ayun nga, nandyan siya. Thought ka,
Thought
right
ka.
person, wrong time. Naniniwala ka ba sa right person, wrong time?
Of course. Right person, wrong time. I used to believe in that before. Kasi, parang,
Yung pinagtagpo pero di tinadhana. Gano'n.
Go na!
I used to believe in that before kasi I had an experience.
Oh.
I met this guy and we complement each other very well. Wala kaming fights
Oh.
kasi we're very compromising. It's just that yung problem namin that time is the timing. Parang I was younger back then.
Mm.
Many days. Yeah, I was younger and then parang for me, I was in a point where I'm still starting, like ang dami pang nangyayari, ang dami pang kailangan
I-fulfill.
I have to parang iba pa yung priorities ko that time. Not love pa na romantic.
Bata talaga. Alam mo yung,
Yeah.
nandun ka pa sa station na nag-explore ka pa.
And you're still building yourself. Kasi that's...
very relatable din yan, di ba? Kasi nga, younger pa siya. Tapos, siguro yung lalaki is gusto nang i-pursue yung romantic relationship pero ayaw pa niya. So, that's, big right person but wrong time.
Siya that time, parang mas settled siya comparing sa akin.
Mm.
So, yeah. Pero, I used to believe in that na parang, baka siya, right person, wrong time. And then maybe he'll just come back and then we'll see each other again and then he'll be the right person. But you know what? There's the saying na the right person will be timeless for you. Like, there's no such thing as wrong timing. Because if he or she is the right person talaga, like, you won't even think na, like, is he right for it?
Wow, ngayon ko pa yan naiisip Very, yung idea ni Aya. May natutunan din ako, no?
Today, like, hindi mo yung isip. Kasi, yun talaga, he's the one, ganun.
Yeah.
Do you believe
Ako yan.
right person?
Right person is timeless. Kasi, right, paano mo masasabing right person kung may mali nang, alam mo yun, kung may mali na nangyayari? Kung
yeah, true. True din, di ba? Paano mo masasabing right person to siya tapos parang against all odds, ganon. Anyways.
Timing. Feeling ko kasi nabubulag tayo dun sa fact na, ako lang naman to nabubulag tayo dun sa fact na dahil mahal mo, sige, tamang tao, ang pipiliin mong,
So, ibig sabihin, kung wrong timing siya, ibig sabihin wrong person din siya.
Mali, yung nangyayari sa paligid. Gets ba? Dahil mahal mo yung tao, nabubulag ka dun sa fact na tama ka, mali lang yung mga nangyayari sa paligid natin.
Yeah.
Pero what if, mali na talaga yung taong napili mo that time.
Yeah. Minsan kasi with love, I believe love is blind. Kasi parang when you're so, especially when you're so caught up in the moment, kasi you really love the person, di ba? Parang lahat ng red flag maging pink.
Totoo.
Yes.
Love mo yung person, tanggap mo siya, gano'n. Walang red flag, gano'n.
Tapos, kapag nawala kayo, dun mo sabihin na, hala, ganyan kasi yan, bakit nga
Dun
ganun,
mo pa ma-realize. Kasi, like example, when you step out of it, dun mo pa makikita lahat. Dun pa mag-o-open yung mga mata mo. Wow. And then, Yeah, oo nga, no. Bakit
Bakit
kaya
nga?
ganun?
Yes.
Oh, that is
Bakit
love. Love is
Love is
confusing
oo,
sometimes.
totoo.
Questionable sometimes. Pero that's love. But I have a question. Matagal mo na ba na parang narinig yung term na totga or like right person, wrong timing?
Actually, until now, medyo nako-confuse pa rin ako kung ano nga ba talaga yung totga. Ano ba yung totga ba, yung maayos kayong nag-end? So, totga mo siya or totga pa rin ba yung tawag sa nag-end kayo ng
In bad terms?
Oo, in bad terms. Yun, medyo nako-confuse pa rin ako. Pero siguro sa experience din, wala pa rin na talaga akong experience sa totga. Siguro, itry ko bukas.
I-try agad.
Ako, yun nga, akala ko na, kasi, okay, before,
Bigyan mo ko
ayun.
ng specific
Si Aya, parang ang dami ng experiences when it comes to right person, wrong time.
situation na. Go.
Sige, let's say for you, you met a guy, and then, kasi,
Experience mo
experience ko? Sige. Okay, example. So, like, okay, what can you say? So, I met this guy before, and then, we complement each other very well, and then, he helped me, I help him, we grow together.
Wait, so nasabi mo before na hindi kayo nag-away, di ba? Parang hindi kayo masyadong nag-aaway. Sa tingin mo,
this is the same guy.
Kayong ganun? Or, kasi ako parang...
Kasi yung iba mas gusto nila may away
Oo,
to grow.
to grow. Kayo ba?
Depende. Kasi, how I see it in relationships, dapat, when you have fights, it should be not between you guys. It should be both of you. Between a different, parang, it's you and the other thing. That's a fight na healthy for me. Hindi na kayo dalawa nag-aaway. Feeling ko, if may ganun kayo early signs of the relationship, parang that's
red flag.
Red flag siguro.
Okay.
Yan. Kasi that's hard.
Yeah, ang galing din. Ang galing din ni Aya, no?
You have, I guess that's something na internally you have something to work on. Yeah. But yeah, back to...
So yung fight na siguro yung at least yung napiperceive ko sa point of view niya sa fights, 'di ba? Like for example, hindi yan sa movies, example, yung views nila magkaiba, 'di ba? So that's the healthy fight. Pero kung silang dalawa may differences na dahil sa kanilang dalawa, or that is not healthy at all. So may something. So iba din yung mga perceptions ni Aya when it comes to that, 'di ba? Parang na-enlighten din tayo.
Situations. So let's say, or sige, I used to have a guy before, and then we complement each other very well, and then yung family niya gusto ako, yung family ko naman, well,
sakto lang.
Okay.
Well, because I was I was younger.
Pero legal.
Alam mo yung there not, but not there yet.
Nag-aalangan pa si Aya, no?
Si Ate Aya.
Ayan ang spill talaga the tea. Parang may pa talaga siya, may reservations.
Alam nila yung guy, pero hindi siya officially official. Not yet that time. Parang hirap, no? Kasi parang malaman ng the one, hindi pa pala
Parang,
or maybe
parents.
Or maybe because you're so blind na pag first mo na na encounter na something love or romantic, parang akala mo the one na agad. Like, first nila na feel na love from someone. Eto na, the one.
Siya yung magiging escort ko sa debut ko. May ganun kaya, di ba? Parang, siya yung magiging escort ko sa debut ko. Tapos parang sabihin nila, nakikita ko na yung sarili nila, naglalakad daw sa aisle.
Mga hopeless romantic.
Diba?
But, yeah, okay, ito. So, let's say, yun, like, you're going so well. Pero, kasi, siya, mas settled na siya kaysa sa akin.
Kasi, mas, siya, older siya sa'yo.
And she has, pwede naman she, hindi sure. Hindi, he has, parang, well, he was working na that time. And ako parang, I'm new to, to the adult life. Parang, I just started making money on my own, parang ganun. Pero siya, he's really in that stage na parang, it's so easy for him to decide. Ganun. So,
parang stable na. Mentally, yung mindset, yung, career-wise, stable na yung guy.
So, yun, never kami nagka-problem, never kami nagka-away. Pero, it's just that's why nawala. Di ba, it's so questionable how, hindi kayo nag-away, pero, ba't nawala? Di ba? And it's because, yung time na yun, so, how things splitted is that, kasi settled na siya, and because he loves me so much, yung nga, he wants na
lahat bigay sa'yo.
He wants na I go with him.
Mm.
Sama kami, ganun. And then I leave my job.
So,
ayoko naman.
Sa lahat ng decisions niya, nasan yung sa'yo?
Oo, yun yung na-feel ko. Kaya siguro yun na naging reason ko.
Okay.
Ako din.
So, actually, there's a fight in there, in between them. So, hindi yung, they didn't have that fight, but there's actually a fight within, na hindi sila magkapareho ng gusto or priorities, right?
Then, I don't wanna be dependent on someone. Even if parang, wow, thank you because you thought of that, na you care for me, na you want to be the provider for me, pero, I want to do something din naman for my own. And why can't we do something for each other and also do something na we both want separately? Tapos yun yung naging breaking point namin. Kasi, he was like, I want you to be with me. Like, I can provide for you. Ganun. So, ikaw, what do you think about it?
Feeling ko, okay na rin na nawala kayo. Kasi pag naman nag-split, hindi naman...
So, you're
kasi hindi naman, ibig sabihin na nag-split kayong dalawa. Nag-split ano naman yun parang, ako nakikita ko siya as positive pareho. Posible kasi na pinag-meet kayo para lang kailangan mag-grow yung each other. Para ready kayo sa next relationship.
Yeah, actually, ganun nga, no? Yun din nakakita ko. Kasi, it's either, so how I see din with Totga, parang, example, hindi kayo and ang dami ko mga friends na ganito, na experience nila. So, like, example, at first, you were in a relationship, tapos biglang nawala. Tapos, the one that got away, diba? Or right person, wrong time, you will know, and ang daming parang nag-meet sila again, and sila nagkatuluyan. You will know if that person is the right person when kahit ang dami pang nangyayari in between, hindi kayo nagkita, a lot of years has passed by. Kasi,
parang itong yung sa movie ni Catherine at ni Alden, Hello, Love Again.
Sabi nila, pag kayo talaga meant to be, hahanapan talaga kayo ng way for you to get back with each other. And if hindi man, it means he wasn't the right person after all. And yung na-experience mo together, even if it's sad na nag-break kayo, pero parang naging preparation pala or naging you grew something from it. You learned something from it. Yeah, to prepare you for someone na right person pa pala for you.
Yes. Pero sa case mo, if ever lang
are you asking me na, is he gonna be the right person?
lang. Try ulit siya. Tinanong ka to go out on a date.
Yeah.
Like ka ba?
At this point,
that's a very relevant question. Ang galing.
In my life, I am in my healing stage. Chika! No, pero, yeah, so, years has passed by when that happened.
Well, I think, the main, talaga nito is your choice. So, for example, bumalik yung guy and it's your choice, ha? Hindi ito yung parang, kasi tadhana, 'di ba? Ang sinasabi mo, tadhana na ang mag-aano sa inyo na to meet each other and to get back to each other. Pero in the end, choice mo pa rin yun, di ba? If you choose, kasi there's no such thing as coincidence, right? It's always a choice. So kung choice mo na makipagbalikan, so it's mangyayari talaga yan. But if not your choice, it's not your choice. So wala, 'di ba? So yeah, parang nagfo-fall pa rin siya sa choice eh.
Yeah, and I realized, I thought before na parang,
may chance
okay.
pa.
I wasn't, nung time na nawala kami, parang I was still hopeful.
Mm.
Parang I told him na, this may be an end for us, but I don't see this as a total end talaga. Kasi, as long as I'm living, you're living, we might see each other in the future.
Ang small world, nasa isang, lang kayo, nasa isang place kayo. Cebu din.
Ay! Chika.
Okay. Kailangan lang. Okay
lang. Naiintriga tuloy ako. Paano kung nakita ito ni Guy? Itong podcast na to. No?
Baka mo ba na yan?
But yeah, that has happened like years before pa. And ayun, akala ko na parang, I'm still happy. Baka mag-meet kami in the future because that's how much I really love him. I love you. I'm willing to let go of you first for now so I can work on myself. You can work on yourself. But I'm still hopeful because maybe, baka magkita pa tayo in the future. But then, time has passed.
So parang hindi mo kino-close yung doors?
Yeah. Before.
So, close mo na ngayon.
Kasi,
nawala na.
I realized, and nag-connect siya with yung pinag-usapan natin before na when you're so in love, parang you think na everything is a fairy tale, lahat ng red flag, di mo nakakita.
Yes.
And that time na parang hindi na kami, and I stepped out, and then looking back to what we had, parang dun ko na-realize na it's really a reason kung bakit din hindi kami nagkatuluyan. Kasi even if we were complimenting each other, pero yung mga goals namin hindi nagko-compliment. Yeah. Kaya
blinded siya.
That separation of
yun yung sinabi niya, love is blind talaga, na blinded siya in the situation.
But yeah, and then I realized na
hindi talaga.
Baka that is just meant to happen in preparation for the other person. And siya, parang nakahanap na siya ng ng person eh. And I'm the happiest. Like, ako din, if you love someone, you only wish their happiness, diba? So, kung saan masaya yung tao, I'm all for that. So,
yeah.
Like, and I'm happy on my own din. I'm, like, where I am right now, I'm happy because even if ganun yung mga nangyari sa amin, but I learned a lot. So, that's what's important for me.
Parang parang, yung sinabi mo yan, parang I'll always want what's best for you, even, parang, kahit wala na ako dun. Parang, even,
sometimes love doesn't mean na kailangan kayo dalawa lagi. Kaya nga, may mga yung mga platonic, diba? Hindi sila together, pero there's still love in it. Like, it's better as friends. Pero there's so much love. Alam mo yung ganun? Kasi most people, when they think about love, dapat kayo talaga magkasama. Dapat romantic relationship. Siya, diba?
Pero minsan pag naman, alam mo yung pag matagal na kayo, may point talaga siguro naman sa relationship na mawawala yung kilig. Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin nun,
hindi mo mahal yung tao.
Hindi mo mahal yung tao. Normal na. Kasi, alam mo yun, matagal na kayo and nasanay na kayo sa isa't isa.
Oo.
Yes.
Nakapagod na kayo makita yung mga pagmumukha.
Feeling ko posible din na gano'n, no? May mga ganong times. Pero kung mature din naman kayo mag-isip, siguro, pwede mo sabihin na, pwede, I need space. Pwede sa friends muna ako. Pwede naman gano'n.
Okay, wait.
Ang hirap, no?
So
yeah.
I've talked about mine. I wanna ask.
Yeah, sobrang hirap talaga.
you, may experience ka ba or something with Totga, right person, wrong time?
Okay.
Thought na po. Charing,
Grabe ka.
Totga.
Tita ko.
Hindi kasi nila alam. Hindi alam nila to. Pero
This is the first time na sinabi niya yan, na meron siyang Totga, hindi alam ng parents.
hindi kasi ako vocal before. Naging open lang din naman talaga ako sa parents ko nung naging beanie ako. Eh, nangyari to, pre-beanie. So, hindi nila alam to. Ang alam nila, ano lang, puppy love lang. Pero hindi nila alam na parang umabot ng 2 years yung talking stage.
Oh.
So, ayun. Kaya ko in-example yung feeling ko, siya yung magiging escort ko sa dibu ko. Kasi akala ko talaga siya na sobrang bata ako mag-isip nun.
Oy, pero alam mo, common yan. Kasi akala ko din like, yung mga ganun na thought, like mga signs na pag siya yung makasama mo to go to your graduation, mga akala mo the one na agad.
Yung hihingi ka pa ng signs, hello, totoo ba yung signs? Lord, kapag lumubog na yung araw na gano'n.
Oo, na-experience natin yan. Itong mga babae talaga, no? Ang dami nating mga eme-eme.
So, na-experience ka na ba ng ano? Like, sabi you met someone na parang, this is the one na ba?
Feeling ko kasi sobrang, syempre bata pa ako mag-isip. Kapag may common kami, may common things, yun, feeling ko meant to be na. Binibilang ko talaga siya. Hala, pareho
may
kami.
lista ka pa.
May solong anak. Shucks, ito na yun.
Pareho kami ng birth month.
Oo, ganon. Diba? Binibilang. Pero ano naman, siguro maganda rin na nag-start kami as friends. So, ngayon, tropa-tropa talaga. Kapag uuwi, walang ilangan.
So, you consider that as your...
Naano ako doon biglang merong background music.
Hindi. Kasi,
sorry boy.
syempre, yung love naman, nakikita mo siya kapag hindi lang puro kilig, nakikita mo din yung tao na yun. Alam mo yun, sa future makakasama mo. Sa kanya kasi hindi Talagang naiilang ako pag nakikita. Parang wala pa sa akin that time yung nakikita ko siyang lalakad kami sa simbahan.
You're still so young.
Oo, yun man.
You were
So,
younger.
hindi ko siya i-consider na Totga. Yes, sorry. Pero eto, may tanong ako.
Okay.
Meron akong napanood na celebrity sila. Celebrity couple. Tapos, parang, okay sila. Good terms sila. Pero yung isa, sinabi na iba yung Totga niya. Okay ba sa'yo yun? Halimbawa, tayo. Good terms tayo. Okay. Pero, in-interview ako, sinabi ko sa interview na, ang Totga ko, ay siya. And we're together that time.
Parang awkward.
Diba? Parang ano mo feel? Pero sa tingin mo, ikaw?
Kasi itong Totga, parang ano talaga parang feel mo na talaga na siya na yun, kaso hindi nag-work out. Parang naging serious kayo na ganon. So for that example na sinabi ni Joanna, na you are together with each other, tapos iba pala yung Totga mo, it means to say na meron ka palang isa na naging serious ka sa kanya, tapos hopeful ka pa, 'di ba, sa kanya, kasi siya yung Totga mo, hindi yung current mo. So it's so awkward talaga, no? Anyways,
normal lang ba siya or
well, kasi the Totga nga, it's hard because Totga, or the one that got away, right, for a long time, it varies from person to person.
Yeah.
And especially with the situation that they got to experience. It varies. Kaya ang daming nagde-debate nito if they believe in it, they don't, ganun. Kasi, like sa mga movies din, ang daming ganun na sila. Tapos, in between, may mga partners. So, akala nila, wrong person talaga. Kasi, we have partners na we're even married. So, hindi talaga yung right person. Pero, in the future pa pala, nag-meet sila kahit may anak na, kahit married na. So, diba, it's really hard. Nakakatakot din kasi
na sila. Kasi nga, hindi talaga ma-define rightfully, walang taong makakapag-define sa totga talaga, no?
Kasal na, tapos may anak na, pero hindi pala right person.
Alam mo yung fear ko.
Tapos mag-meet kayo in the future pa pala. Ano yung mga ganun, no?
Yan yung parang feeling ko, fear ko na makahanap ako ng tao na sobrang mamahalin ko. Tapos, mamahalin din ako. Okay kami. Pero yung purpose pala and yung destiny nyo is to just miss each other for their entire life. Gets
or
ba?
Baka baka that person was the right person for that time and that time only.
Oh, ang galing. Parang naano sila, no? Sa mga thoughts nila. Nag-explore talaga sila ng mga, lalo na si Aya. Parang meron talaga siyang, marami talaga siyang, thoughts about Totga.
Future. Pero, ang amazing, no? How timing is very key pala. And finding someone. Like, even if, example, kasi with love, I strongly believe it's not just feelings based. It's a choice. Like, example, ikaw, gusto ko na, ikaw na talaga, ikaw yung the person that I want to
Yeah, that's what I told you earlier. Choice talaga in the end.
We have kids with. Pero sometimes, even if ikaw, intentions mo ganun, like very clear, clean, and very sure, pero sometimes it can be a one-sided thing. Like for you, it's not how you see it pala. Kaya, yeah, it's also really important when you find someone, dapat mutual yung understanding mo, intentions nyo. Especially that intentions are very hard to see. Kasi it's so easy to say it, but to show it is hard.
Yeah.
Mahirap, no? Like,
Ang hirap talaga kasi hindi mo ma-judge yung tao kung ano iniisip niya kahit alam mo pa na you know, mutual yung understandings niyo pero hindi mo talaga nababasa yung isip niya. Paano kung magbago siya kinabukasan, gano'n sabihin na niya na ayaw na niya, di ba? So, it's really, really complex.
Pinangyayari na between. Tapos, yung pinaka-end game pala is, the person you met 30 years before. Yung ganun.
Yung endgame mo pala, hindi pa pinapanganak. Uy, pwede. Bakit?
Oo,
diba?
Ganun. Like, may mga nakita din ako movies na, like, nag-meet sila, hindi nga sila nagkasila. Pero, parang, example, high school, sweetheart sila. Pero, they had this very genuine love na kahit puppy love siya, tapos, in between of their lives, may mga anak na sila, married sila, pero nag-meet sila nung matanda na sila. Tapos, to think na puppy love lang sila noon. May nakita akong ganun. True story. Tapos, ang galing, di ba? Kasi you really can't tell sometimes.
Yeah.
You want to be certain of the future.
Naiyak.
Yeah. You consider, is that, right person, wrong time? Pero, ang hirap.
Alam mo sa sinabi mo? Parang, parang oo. Parang, medyo na, na
right
ako
person,
na.
wrong time?
Merong ganun. Sa sa mga kwento mo
kaya
kanina.
it varies talaga, no?
Depende talaga,
diba?
Depende. Totga, the one that got aray. Guys, favorite niya talaga yan.
Before.
Kasi na-experience niya.
Lagi mo yung before.
Kinakanta ko siya talaga pag nag-livestream.
Kasi naiisip na yung guy niya from Cebu.
Di ba, nasa healing stage ka na.
Yeah, and parang
yung learnings mo.
Yeah, and I'm in this point na, kasi, yeah, again, with everything is a choice. So that, what I experienced before, I chose for it na, ako na mismo nag-decide na, that person may be the right person for that time only. And that's it. That's the end. Cut. Nothing more, nothing less. And now I'm in this point in my life na, okay, I move on and maybe, and I strongly believe there's a right person pa pala.
Pero may interaction pa rin kayo.
Ako? I mean like now?
Anong masabi mo? Friends ba kayo na?
Hindi, awkward na talaga siya ni Joanna.
Or, naging, na lang din talaga siya?
Parang,
stranger na lang back
Hindi
to
naman sa
stranger.
stranger. Kasi grabe, di ba, may
pinagsamahan.
Parang naging memory na lang.
Naman na kayo. Pero, ano lang, like, past is past. That's it. You're just from there. Yeah. Kasi back again with Totka, I believe na the right person is timeless. So, if that time, hindi tayo nag-work, there's a reason for it and you're not the right person. That's how I see it.
Kaya gusto ko kung sino yung magiging first ko. Yun yung papakilala ko talaga sa parents ko.
And maging right person.
And hopefully, maging last.
One last thing.
Ito talaga. No?
Kasi, again, back with the everything is a choice. Even if you think that's the right person, pero, everything is worked on. Parang, you both have to make an effort na kayo mismo magiging right person for the other person. So, yeah. Yeah.
Thank you. And alam mo, dami ko natutunan sa mga sinabi mo.
Yeah, same kami ni Joanna. Marami din natutunan kay Aya. And makikita mo talaga na, meron siyang mga experiences. Tapos, she learned from it. May mga realization siya after that.
Kasi, hindi masamang, di ba yung iba parang naging standard, nakailan ka ng jowa, ganun. Tapos parang, nadjudge natin yung mga tao base dun sa kung nakailang ex na sila. Pero kasi yung iba, alam mo yun, may point sila na baka ganun, nag-explore sila para kapag nahanap na nila yung tao talaga, alam na nila yung gagawin nila.
Yeah. Like, every person they meet, there's a different learning they get from them.
Yes, hindi masama. Ang masama, yung sobra-sobra.
Magtira.
In general, too much of something is a bad thing.
Yeah. Kahit tubig, no? If you intake too much water, ano pa rin yun? Nakakasama pa rin.
Yun.
Song ni Katy Perry.
Yes. Alam mo, thank you. Kasi, ang dami kong actually, di ba, kanina, sobrang strong ko na walang right person, wrong time. Pero after hearing your thoughts, meron nga.
So, you believe in right person, wrong time nga?
Oo.
Okay.
Oo.
Ako naman hindi. Totoo nga. Kasi I feel like if that's the right person, that's the right person. I mean, before.
Okay.
Before na I used to believe. But now talaga, I believe na if right person, I won't think about time because time is timeless for you.
Yeah.
If I'm with you. Because you're the one. You're right. Yeah.
Kaya sa mga listeners natin, kayo, siguro pag nagmahal kayo, huwag niyong ibigay lahat kasi okay lang din naman piliin yung sarili niyo.
And I mean, it should start with yourself then. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ang galing.
Self-love pa rin. Yeah.
Self-love para sa 2020? 8. Tinagalan. Pero ayun, alam mo yun, parang ang sarap lang sa feeling na nakapag-usap tayo ng ganito.
Yeah.
Hindi tayo nakakapag-usap ng ganito. Kasi alam mo parang...
Yeah, outside work, outside singing.
Gano'n siya sa P-pop world.
Tabu, very taboo.
Diba?
Oo.
Pero, yeah, let's normalize this topic. Kasi, alam nyo, kaming mga idols nyo, di ba? Tinuturing tayong idols na ng blooms natin. Tinuturing nyo kami idols, pero lahat ng naranasan nyo, nararanasan din namin.
Ay! Wow.
Oo naman. Di ba? Hindi nyo sure kung may kausap ba kami ngayon, or pero tao din kami, nagmamahal, nasasaktan, iniiwan.
Yeah, and also, disclaimer, the things that we have talked, maybe iba-iba yung mga pananaw ng iba. Kasi this is really a debatable topic. Like, a lot of people agree, a lot of people don't. But these are just our insights. So,
Tsaka pwedeng 2 years from now, pwedeng iba na naman yung yung thoughts ko about this. Diba?
Yeah.
Depende sa nangyayari.
Depende sa experiences yan.
Yeah.
Kasi dati wala pa naman yung, alam mo yun, wala namang MU dati. Parang,
it's either friends,
oo,
jowa, tapos kasal.
Yun na.
Diba? Ngayon may mga gantong terms na,
totga.
Ano, situationship, totga. Ano ba
yan?
Akala ko if you meet someone, yun na yun, pakasal, happy ending. Pero, in life, things don't always work out. And
Yes.
Sometimes it's okay because things happen for a reason.
Yeah.
And for a lesson.
Yes,
Yay.
for a lesson. I love that.
I love you. Tati Kyle.
Ourselves.
Nagawa natin to.
Yeah.
Yay.
Gusto ko mag-open
Oo.
up kasi nga first time ko and siguro may nalaman ng aking parents na hindi nila alam yun.
May nakatotga pala. Wala totga.
Wala,
Sabi niya,
wala,
hindi niya
wala.
consider as
Wala
Mm.
pa.
Ay,
Oh.
sana wag naman.
Oh, ayaw
sana
naman.
the one lang.
The one lang.
Yeah.
Oo nga.
The one.
Yes, and that's it for our episode.
Yes. Totga or the one that got away.
Right person, wrong time.
Yay.
And this is our podcast.
Ng mga walang jowa!
Yay.
If you guys enjoyed our episode, please listen to the rest of our podcast, ng mga walang jowa. We have fresh episodes every Thursdays on Spotify.
Yay.
This podcast episode again on YouTube this coming Monday.
Don't forget to listen to our music then on Spotify. Just search Beanie. And if you guys want to check out some real-time updates of us, follow us in all our social media platforms. That's Beanie_PH.
Yeah.
I'm Beanie Joanna.
I'm Beanie Aya.
And we are Beanie!
And thank you again for listening to our
Podcast ng mga walang jowa.
Yay.
Thank you po!
Yay! Okay, so that's Sino Ba Ang Totga Mo? Beanie Podcast ng mga walang jowa, episode 1, and that's featuring our girls, Beanie Joanna and Beanie Aya. Ang dami kong realizations doon, especially doon sa mga experiences and mga thoughts ni Aya. Anyways, I'm gonna be watching the second episode of this. I'm gonna be watching that in my next episode. For now, guys, thank you and bye-bye.